Hey kids! Today I'm making a slide trail with magnetic tiles by combining magnets, slide pieces, triangle, and crown pieces, and in the end we'll test our slides with 2 different balls. Let's start with making the first part of our slide. I've combined magnets with slides pieces. You'll notice that the piece which are attached with slide pieces have holes, and those which are used to give height are solids with different attachments in the center. Now I'm attaching the blue slide piece with the red magnet tile, and the green tile is used to give height and support the structure. From here, we're going to take it to step 2 and increase the height of our structure, which will definitely help in the end result when we'll test the ball, and the fall will be much more fun. If you've enjoyed the video so far, do like this video, guys, subscribe to our channel, and do watch fun other videos on our channel like Grizzly Bear, Snowy Owl, and Number Blocks Building Blocks video. For the heighted structure, we're adding 3 tiles for support. Now I make it go zigzag to add a fun element. You can also see crown tiles, the one in yellow color, for the overall support to the structure. As we go for a longer and a taller structure, it becomes quite challenging to keep the structure in place. Time to time, I shift the crown tiles as the support is required at the taller structure side. Now we're making the tube, or you can call it the tunnel, which will be the starting point of your slide. We'll drop the ball from this point. And we're ready with our structure. Hooray! Just making some adjustments now and adding the crown and triangle tiles to make it look good. Let's start the fun with our blue ball throw. Yay! Wasn't that fun to watch? Let's throw the green ball now. Oh, this is so fun. I'm enjoying it. Let's go again with the blue ball from another angle. And again with the green ball. Guys, I'm having so much with this. I think I tried it over 20 times, haha. This is so fun. I hope you guys have watched the puzzle series on our channel, which has all the fun animals like the bear, owl, rabbit, fox, hedgehog. Do check out those videos too. Hope you enjoyed the video. Do like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel.